So you would have done that exemplar questions by this time, right? And must be having doubts.
Sir, I didn't start, sir.
Then maybe when you are planning to start, Prithvi?
Sir, I had PPTs to do for school, sir. Today I'll do.
Okay, today we'll try lines and angles we'll study. So you'll have much work to do then. Others,
This
anybody else
chapter
who
is
has
over.
not started yet?
So even I didn't do it.
Why, Harshi?
So I had man in my school, so I had a lot of orientations and all.
Then when you will do?
So I'll do it by today.
And today's work?
I'll do it also today.
Good. Okay, anybody else?
Sir, I did the first two exercises.
Okay, no, actually for the one which I gave you, it's some are general knowledge, some are like that. So they actually it's not mathematics. So you can do it very fast, all those questions, and there will be some doubts which will take it up. So, and these doubts, so next class I will take, so that others who have not done, they can also complete.
Sir, I have a doubt, sir.
Sahil, first you keep your mic in front of your mouth. I don't want to guess.
Sir,
Sahil?
could you hear me now, sir?
No, I can't hear you. The volume is then low.
Sir, I don't know what is happening.
So, that Euclid's geometry, that what I taught is just a universal truth which we are taught. So that axiom, postulates, that will be discussed in the coming chapters. Okay. So next topic is lines and angle. I'm saying topic, you may be seeing some chapter, but.
Sir, I had a doubt.
Yes, Aditya.
Sir, just a second.
What happened? Doubt means what? Which chapter?
Sir, this chapter.
I said,
Euclid's
Aditya,
geometry.
I'll take these doubts in the next class.
Okay,
Sir,
okay.
even I have a doubt from this.
So I will.
chapter, sir.
Should I tell individually everyone that I'll take this doubt
No.
next chapter, next class? Sahil. I just said, कि whatever doubts you have, those doubts I will take it in next class. By the time I will give you few actual concepts of geometry now, which will, I mean, whatever we taught, that axiom and postulates, it will be related to that. Many of your doubts will be clear here only. That's why I am pushing it for next class. Is it clear?
Is this the new chapter?
Yes, it's a new chapter. Or you say new topic. It's lines and angles. In NCERT, it's a chapter. I will say it's an extended topic. Geometry, I say, is one. So in that, we start with lines and angles, triangles, and it will come. Okay. So it's a new topic in geometry, lines and angles, or you say new chapter according to NCERT. Okay. Is it clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Should I go ahead?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Anyone has any doubt not related to the previous chapter, related to what I'm going to proceed? No? Okay. So first, let's do a recap. Recap of what you have done it. Sahil? Sahil?
Sir,
What is acute angle?
sir, acute angle is the one in which two sides are not equal.
Achha, two sides are not equal, then
One side is equal.
one side is equal is acute angle, right?
Yes.
Right? Two sides are not equal. Acute angle means two sides are not equal, and then
One side is equal.
two sides are not equal, one side is equal. So this is acute angle. Wait. Sahil, this is acute angle. Sahil, yes, no, you open, oh, you come to cam. Open your cam. Sahil, open your cam.
Sir, I on it, sir.
I can't see you, Sahil. Have you
Sir,
opened your cam?
Yes, sir.
I can see.
Okay. Now tell me, is this acute angle?
Sir, no, sir.
Yes or no?
No, no, no.
Then two sides are not equal. One side is equal. I said these two sides are equal and these two sides are not equal. Then what is obtuse angle?
Sir, sir, I got it, sir. Acute angle is the one which is below 90 degrees, sir. Sorry.
So acute angle.
Sorry.
Acute angle is angle between 0 degree to
And 90.
90 degree. Any angle between 0 degree to 90 degree is acute angle.
Yes, sir.
What is obtuse angle, Sahil?
Sir, it is below 180 degree and above 90 degree.
Obtuse angle is below.
180 degree and above 90 degree.
So it is between 90 degree to 180 degree. Correct?
Yes, sir.
What is right angle?
Sir, 90 degree.
Right angle is 90 degree. Correct?
Yes.
Straight angle, if we say, what is straight angle? Yeah, where you went? Lost? Acha, this time Aristan will come. Aristan, come.
Sir,
What is straight angle?
sir, straight angle is 180 degrees.
Straight angle is 180 degree. What is reflex?
More than 180 and less than 360.
Very good. It is between 180 to 360 degree. Correct?
Yes, sir.
What is complementary angle? Aristan, complementary angle.
Sir, I don't know.
What is complement? Okay, now next will come. Harshi will come. What is complementary angle, Harshi? Harshi, you have to unmute your mic. Yes, tell me, Harshi. Harshi, you have not muted. Unmute your mic. I'm waiting.
Yeah. So,
Yeah.
what
Yeah.
was your question?
What is complementary angle?
So not sure.
Okay, whatever is sure, you tell me.
So, no clue.
Not sure or you don't know?
I don't know.
Okay, then Dia, come.
Yes, sir. Two angles are said to be complementary when their sum of their measure is 90 degrees, sir.
Yeah, absolutely. When two angles are complementary where their measure, sum of their measure is 90 degree. If I say X and Y are complementary, means X plus Y equals to 90 degree. X angle plus Y angle is goes to 90 degree. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Both
sir.
X and Y will be 45 and 45, sir.
Yeah, both X and Y will be.
45 degree and 45 degree.
What is my statement? I
Sir,
said.
it can be anything.
Wait, Prithvi. Let me answer. Sahil, I said two angles are complementary when their sum is equals to 90 degree. 30 plus 60 can be a complementary or not, Sahil?
Yes, sir. It can
Because their sum are 90 degree.
90 degree.
45 and 45 is also complementary because their sum is 90
90.
degree. Correct? 80 plus 10 is also a complementary angle because their sum is 90 degree.
Okay, sir.
Is it clear
Thank you,
to
sir.
everyone?
Yes.
sir.
Now,
Yes,
what
sir.
is supplement? Yes. What is supplementary angle? Supplementary angle. Now, this time it will be Mehak.
Yes, sir.
What is supplementary angle?
Sir, the sum of two angles should be 180.
Very good. So supplementary angles are those angles whose sum are equals to 90 degree. That is x plus y
Sir,
equals to
180.
180 degree. Here complementary angle is their sum is 90 degree. But in supplementary it is 180 degree. Is it clear? Angles are clear. If I say equal angle means what? They are measure are same. Their measure are same. If we say x degree, it is also x degree. Both angles are equal angles. If I say angle ABC and angle BDC are equal angles, that means their measure are same. Correct?
Sir.
Now, if I say angular bisector, is it clear? These angles are clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If I say angular bisector, Punya, please come. Punya, can you unmute your mic?
Yes, sir.
Yes, tell me, what is angular bisector? If I say, if I talk about angular bisector, what is it?
Sir,
No or don't know?
sir, I don't know.
Siddharth.
Sir, it's the angular bisector is bisector which splits an angle into two equal parts.
Yes, two equal parts. If I say A, B, C, this is an angle, okay? And if I say BD is an angular bisector, BD is an angular bisector. That means angle ABD equals to angle DBC. When I say this is in between means what? A, B, D. I'm talking about this angle. Then angle DBC. I'm talking about this angle. It is read as ABD means ABD. What it is making? An angle? This angle? When I talk about DBC, which this angle it is making? So they both are equal. When we say BD is an angular bisector, means it bisects this full angle, bisects this full angle into two equal parts. So this angle, let's suppose this is X, this is also X. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Till now, whatever I have told you, anyone who has doubt, anything, please ask me. Don't worry, you can ask me. I'll explain again. But after this, I will be talking these terms, and you cannot say ki what is angular bisector, what is equal angle, or what is obtuse angle. This is just ABC of geometry. You can ask me. I'm still giving you time to ask me. No doubt. Ashish, you have Ashish?
No, sir. When you were asking about the
Okay, okay, no problem. So a question, I will do it. Question is, find the measure of an angle which is 24 more than the complementary angle. It's complementary. Find the measure of an angle which is 24 degree more than its complementary. Complementary means what? Samruddha is absent. So complementary, if I say, Manish, what is complementary? Quick. What happened? Go on.
So they add up to 90.
Yes. So question is, find the measure of an angle which is 24 more than its complementary. If let's suppose, let the angle be x. Okay.
Sir, can you hear me?
Yes, now I
Sir?
can hear. Now I can hear you, Manish.
Okay, sir.
Let the angle be x, and another angle is what? 24 more than
X plus 24.
90 minus x.
X plus 24 is equal to 90.
Can I explain now?
Sorry, sir.
Sir, I think it's 90 minus x.
Should I go ahead?
Sorry, sir.
Question is, let angles, complementary angles, let an angle be x. So another angle is what? 24 more than this angle. It's given into a question. So another angle will be x plus 24. And they are telling both these angles are complementary. Means what? X
plus 24 is equal to
x
90.
plus 24 equals to
90.
90. So x plus 24 equals to 90. 2x equals to 90 minus 24 we can do. 2x is equals
66.
to 66.
X equal to
X is
33.
equals to 33. So one is 33, 57. Understood this question? This was both linear equation as well as geometry. Any doubt in this question? Now next question is, find the measure of an angle.
1 minute, sir.
What happens, Sahil?
Sir, 1 minute, sir. I just need to write it.
No, don't write it. Write it. Just listen and then write the solution. Don't write the question. You will have lot many questions to solve. Next question is, listen to the question carefully. Is this clear and everyone has written?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Then next question I am giving you. Find the measure of an angle which is 32 degree less than its supplementary. 32 degree less than its supplementary. So let the angle be x. So what is telling? 32 degree less than its supplementary. If I say, what will the supplementary of this angle? Supplementary of angle x is what? Can we write?
Minus
180 minus x,
180.
not x minus x. Supplementary of angle x is what? 180 minus x. Correct? And what is telling? Find the measure of an angle which is 32 degree less than its supplementary. So this angle is 32 degree less.
So
yes.
In that case, in the last question, we could have taken the complement of it as 90
You can
minus.
just say answer will remain same. Second way I'm telling you. In this question, I'm telling the second way of doing it. Okay. Confused?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No. So that was one of the way. This is the second way. Find the measure of an angle which is 32 degree less than its supplementary. Let the angle be x. Supplementary angle of x is 180 minus x. Correct? Because when you will add these two, it is 180 degree. So what is telling? 32 degree less than its supplementary. Which one is less? Which one is less?
Sir, X.
X or 180 minus x?
X.
Who is telling x? Ashish?
So we cannot make a judgment.
We can't make a judgment. I am repeating question again. Listen. Find the measure of an angle which is 32 degree less than its supplementary. 32 degree less than its supplementary.
So x is only less.
Wait.
X is less.
Aditya said
X is
we
lesser
cannot
than
judge it. That's why I'm explaining it. It is in the question only. It is telling find the angle which is 32 degree. Find the angle which is 32 degree less than its supplementary. Which one is less? Aditya.
X.
X is less. Correct. So what we have to do? What we have to do?
Subtract both of them.
Harshi,
So,
tell me what we have to
if
do.
x is the greater,
X
so if x is the greater angle, no,
You have to
okay.
tell me. Which one is greater?
So x is smaller here.
So what we have to do?
So x is smaller. If I say x is greater, then I can say x minus x. X 180 minus x minus x.
Which one is greater here? You tell me.
2x minus. Which one is greater?
Which one is greater? This one or this one?
So the second one.
This one?
Yeah.
No, you're not sure. You're not sure. And if you say this is greater, why this is greater?
So because they say the x is less than its supplementary.
Yes. So this is greater. This is less than this supplementary by 32. So
32.
this is greater. Now
Yes.
from the equation.
So 2x minus 32
2x.
equals to 1. So
Why 2x?
x plus. So
X
because
plus-
we are taking
X plus
no. Okay. Just a minute.
anyone?
Sir, can I try?
Yes, Rashi.
Sir, x minus 32 is equal to 180 minus x.
Okay, you're telling x minus 32 equals to
180 minus x.
how? Tell me, explain to whole class.
Sir,
Wait,
So can
why you guys are struggling? Huh?
I tell?
Wait. Rashi, you have given an equation. Explain it. Why this?
sir, not sure.
So
Yes,
can I tell?
raise your hand. Ashish, tell me.
Sir, so x is 32 less than 180 minus x.
Okay.
So if you subtract 32 from x, or if you add 32 from x, if you add 32 to x, it will be equal to 180 minus x.
Why add? Why subtract? Explain.
Sir, add because 180 minus x is 32 plus 32 more greater than x.
Correct.
Yeah, so we go to minus. It's x minus 32 is equal to 180 minus x.
It's in the question. It is telling that the measure of an angle is 32 less than this. Now I will reframe it. If the measure of an angle is 4, let's suppose the angle is 4 and here it is 10. If the measure of an angle is 6 less than 10, then what will come? What we have to do?
10 minus.
If I say, if the measure of an angle is 4 less than 10, then what is the angle?
6.
What you did?
10 minus 4.
10 minus 4.
10 minus 4. Again, for everyone, please listen what I'm. If the measure of an angle is 4 less than 20, then what you are doing? 10 minus 4? Same way, if a measure of an angle is 32 less than its supplementary, what you will do?
180 minus x minus 32.
Now I'll talk Harshi. Is it? I'm telling, if a measure of an angle is 32 less than its supplementary, find the angle.
Yes, sir.
What you will do?
So it's 100 and okay. What I will do? So I don't know how to explain, but the answer will be 106 and 74.
No. How can you get the answer when you don't know what you have done? What you have written?
So I did x minus 32 equals
No.
to 180 minus x. So that will be x plus x.
Again, I am telling
32.
you, if a measure of an angle is 4 less than 10, find the angle. Mehak? Mehak? Mehak, can you unmute your mic?
Yes, sir.
If a measure of an angle is 4 less than 10, what is the angle? I mean, is it so tough, or I'm not able to explain you guys?
So x equals to 180 minus 32.
Which equation you are forming, Harshi? My question, there are two questions I'm asking. You are answering this one or you are answering this one?
First one.
This one.
Yeah.
Okay, tell me.
So x equals to 180 minus x. No, no.
Mehak, can you answer this? I'm just telling you, measure of an angle. This angle is 4 less than 10. What is the measure of this angle? I will not go ahead today, so you will have to answer. This is not so tough. Mehak, now tell me. You have, listen to me. You have 4 chocolate less than your sister, which she has 10 chocolates. How many chocolates you have?
6.
Sir, 6.
Dear, did I ask you? Your name
No,
is Mehak?
No, sir. Sorry,
Then?
sir.
Mehak?
Sir.
Your sister has 10 chocolates. You have 4 less than your sister. How many chocolates you have? Mehak, I can't hear you.
6.
What you did? This is X. This is 10. You have 4 chocolate less than your sister.
Yes, sir.
Tell me how many chocolates you have. Mehak. Can you speak, Mehak? I will not go ahead today beyond this.
Sir, 6.
6. What you did?
Subtraction.
What? From what? From what?
10 minus 4.
10 minus 4. An angle is 4 less than 10. What is the measure of this angle?
6.
Huh?
6.
6. What you did?
Sir, subtraction.
What from what?
10 minus 4.
An angle is 32 less than its supplementary. What is this angle?
Sir,
Wait. Today I'll not go ahead. Again, see here. This is x. When it comes to x, you are confuseful. This is x. Difference is 4. What is the value of x? What you did?
The value of x is x plus 4. X
X
minus
plus 4 is
10.
10.
So x is equal to 6. 10 minus 4, that is 6.
There is some reason why I ask somebody. You will get your chance. Ashish, you will get your chance. Due chance you will get. There is some reason why I am asking somebody. Mehak, you have to answer this. Harshi and Mehak have to answer this. Either of you two.
So suppose my sister has X chocolates and I have suppose my sister has X chocolates and I have 4 chocolates less than my sister. But the total amount of the chocolates is 10. So that will be my total amount of the chocolates. I mean, me and my sister's chocolates will be 10 together.
Okay.
So that will be my sister's chocolates plus my chocolates equals to 10.
Okay.
So then I'll just do it. 10 minus 4 x equals to 6.
So you tell me this, form this equation then. Form this equation.
So can you just tell me the question once again of the second equation?
An angle is 32 less than its supplementary. Find the angle.
Sir, can I tell, sir?
No. Today also they either Mehak or Harshi has to answer.
So I know the answer is 106 and 74.
I don't care about this answer. I want the procedure.
So I don't know how to justify the procedure.
So how you got the answer? Without solving, how you got the answer?
So I got that.
You cannot get without solving it. Mehak?
Yes, sir.
Sir, can we raise our hand at least?
Yes, those who know, please raise your hand. I want to see how many of you raise your hand. Aditya, you have not raised your hand? Sia, tell me.
Sir, 180 minus x equals 32.
180 minus x?
No, bracket minus x equals 32.
Minus x equals?
32.
32. Now?
So it will be 2x.
180 minus x equals to 32. Then 180 minus?
It will be 2x.
2x equals to 32.
Equals 32. So 2x equals 180 minus 32 equals 2x.
Or I should write it like this. Minus 32 or
equals 2x.
Minus 2x equals to 32 minus 180. Minus 2x is equals to negative what? 840 minus 148. Right?
Yeah.
Sia.
Yes, sir.
Now minus gone. X is equals to?
X equals 148 by 2.
148 by 2, 74.
4.
So angles are?
74 and 106.
Yes. Yes. Harshi and Mehak.
Yes, sir.
$32, 148, 74. Okay. Did you get it?
Yes, sir.
Why this then? Explain me. Why this?
So because that's the total amount. I mean, that's the greater amount minus my amount. 180 minus x is the greater amount, and minus
I'm
x is the smaller
really
one.
upset. With so lazy way I am trying to explain you, still you couldn't form this equation. What was the difference between these two is 32. And you know this is smaller, this is bigger. Bigger minus smaller is, it is telling 32.
32.
So you have to subtract bigger minus smaller equals to 32. Please write it. Should I rub?
Yes, sir.
Please, everyone, please
Yes,
lower
sir.
your hand now. Next question is, two supplementary angles are in the ratio of 3:2. Two supplementary angles are in ratio of 3:2.
Sir, should we write the whole question, sir?
Find the angle. Find the angle.
So we should find both the angles.
I'll tell you when they
Sir,
are telling
can I
two.
tell?
What happened? Any doubt?
No, sir. Can I tell?
I'm explaining this question. I'll tell you when to write and no. So two supplementary angles are in the ratio of 3:2. Find the angles. So let the factor be x. So we can say first angle be 3x. Second angle
2x.
will be
2x.
2x. Now they are telling it's a supplementary angle. So supplementary angle means sum of these two angles will be
180.
180. So 3x plus 2x equals to 180. 5x is equals to 180. X is equals to
36.
30.
180 by
36.
Now, so the angles are, first angle is
3x.
3 into 36.
108.
Second angle
72.
2 into 36, 72.
72.
written.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Everyone or anyone who has not written? Rashi, you forgot the making the linear equation.
No, sir.
Then, sir, what was your equation?
Sir, sign mistake.
No, it was not sign mistake. It was concept mistake. Now, next question. Listen to the question very carefully. Question is, the supplementary of an angle is 1/3 of its given angle. The supplementary of an angle is 1/3 of the given angle. Or in fact, you write it. I want you to solve. Let's see who can solve. The supplementary of an angle is 1/3 of the given angle. Again repeating, the supplementary of an angle is 1/3 of the given angle. Find the measure of the given angle and its supplementary.
Sir, it is 1/3 what, sir?
Yes, 1/3. The supplementary of an angle is 1/3 of the given angle. Find the measure of the given angle and its supplementary.
Given angle and its supplementary.
Sir, 270 and 90.
Wait. Let others
Okay.
also come. And 270 and 90. Harshi, this is your
Yes,
answer, na?
sir.
What is supplementary angle?
90.
What is supplementary angle? My simple question to you, what is supplementary angle?
Oh, 180.
So your angle is?
180.
No, what angles you are giving?
Sorry, 360. Sorry, sir. Sorry.
Yes, Siddharth.
So,
Your answer.
so my answer is 135.
And the next, another angle is?
Sir, 60.
What is supplementary angle? What is the next angle? If one angle is 135, another angle is?
180 minus that angle.
Yes. Tell me how you did.
Sir, I took the supplement as 180 minus x.
So let
x be the
angle.
Yeah.
P
be the angle.
X. So supplementary angle will be what?
180
minus x. So now the
Sir,
question what they are telling?
So they're telling the supplement of an angle is 1/3 of the given angle. So the given since the given angle is x, the 1/3 of the angle will be 1/3x.
So 1/3 of
180 minus
180 minus x equals to x by
1/3. Yeah, it's the same thing.
Correct?
Yes, sir.
And then you found it.
Yes, sir. Then so 180 minus x, we can transpose 3. Yeah.
To 135, correct?
Yes.
Aditya.
Yes, sir.
Is this equation right?
Yes, sir.
Why? I will write it. It's saying 1/3, na? I will write it. Which one is right? This one or this one? Which one is right? Aditya. Question to Aditya. They are telling 1/3. And I'm very much sure few have done from this and few have done this. Those who have done this, please raise your hand.
I don't think so.
Wait. Siddharth, wait. Let me lower hand. Yes. How many of you have formed this equation? Raise your hand. Aditya, why this is wrong?
it's not wrong. I did it other way.
This way?
No, sir. None of them.
None of them. So what's your third way? Tell me.
The first angle is x and second angle is 1/3 of x.
So second angle is 1/3 of x. Okay, ठीक है.
Then we add both of them. We get
X.
180.
X by 3 is equals to
180.
180, and you found it. Third way. And my question to is why this is wrong. Rashri, why this is wrong?
Can I try?
Wait. Rashri.
Sir, because the supplementary is 180 minus x, and they say that the angle is 1/3 of the given angle.
Angle is 1/3 of the given angle. Which angle is 1/3 of the given angle?
So the supplementary of an angle is 1/3 of the given angle.
Okay. So?
The supplementary of the angle is 180 minus x. And 1/3 is nothing but x by 3. So if we cross multiply, then the x will go on the numerator part, not the denominator part. I guess.
Yes, Manupriya.
Sir, he's proving your equation right, sir.
So let's see. Let's do it. So it is x is equals to 4 is 16, 4 5 is 20, 45.
45.
And
180 minus 45.
45.
135. Both are same.
Both are correct. And this though, of course, this is also correct. If you would have done this way, if you would have done this way. Now, my next question to you. What is the difference between these two? I'm just making your doubts clear. What is the difference between these two? With observation, you can tell. With observation, you can tell. In this equation, you are taking x bigger. And here, it is coming smaller. That's why here this is small. That's why this bigger number is divided by 3 to make it equal. Here, this is bigger, x is bigger. That's why you're dividing it by 3. So answer will come same.
So is it possible for you to solve the third one?
Yes, that is also correct. He took it one as x, another 1/3 x by 3, and they both are
so
complementary.
So that will be 2x.
X plus
so
x
that will be
by
2x plus equals to 180 into 3. Fine, so.
Next
Fine,
question.
so I took it.
Next question.
So should we write it?
You can write it. Others.
No, the question.
Others, to others, is it clear, the solution? Vishal?
Yes, sir.
Understood difference between all these three solution? All three are correct. Next question is, find the measure of an angle if 7 times its complement. I will write it. In fact, I will write, otherwise. Find the measure of an angle if 7 times its 7 times its complement is 10 degree less than 3 times its supplementary. The question clear? Can you write, see the question
Yes, sir.
properly?
Yes, sir.
Please solve it. Everyone. And everyone who are done, please raise your hand. And I will ask question who has not raised his hand, his or her hand.
Why, sir?
So
This is
why
my
like
trick. This is my
Sir,
trick.
then if you don't
If you are raising hand, that means you have solved. And if you have not raised hand, that means you're not able to solve. Then I'll ask you. So in both the case, you can expect. It's all linear equation. Your revision of linear equation. Class 8. Prithvi has done, Siddharth has done.
Yes, sir.
Good. Wait.
So what should we find in this question at the last?
Angles. Find
Only
the
angle.
measure of an angle. That is, find the measure of an angle. So many hands up now. 1 more minute. Acha, by the way, guys, please send it on chat, on Zoom chat, your answers. I will see. Prithvi, you are correct. Aditya, correct. Siddharth, correct. So many hands and I have got only 3 answers. Ashish, no, you have to redo. Other, Sia, Dia, Sahil, Vanupriya.
Sir, I have sent you my answer, sir, in the Zoom chat.
No, I have not received. No, acha, that is some other answer you have said, not this.
Yeah, it was for the second sum that you gave.
I am asking for this question.
Sir, I gave you the answer, sir. It's the second option.
Rashi, you are correct. Sia.
I have sent you.
Sia, X is. Sia is, you are correct. Dia, I have not received yours. Yes, Sahil, correct.
Sir, should I send you via WhatsApp?
They got it. Dia, now I got it. Correct.
Okay, sir.
Everyone has done very good. Yes, Prithvi.
Yes, sir.
Tell me. What happened?
Sir, can you check my answer?
Bhanupriya, yes, correct. Bhanupriya, Vijay, both of you are correct. Yes, Prithvi, solve.
Sir, let the measure of required angle be
Let
x.
the
measure of required angle
of angle
required angle B x.
X, ठीक है? Okay.
Then
Now,
measure of complement will be complement is 90 degrees, so measure of complement will be
complement angle will be
90 minus x.
90 minus x, correct? Now,
then supplement is 180, so supplement angle will be 180 minus x.
Supplement angle is 180 minus x.
It's given 7 times, it's complementary. So 7 into 90 minus
7
x.
times it's complementary.
Yes, sir.
It's
7
less than the 3 times it's supplementary.
Yes, sir. 7 into 90 minus x.
So 7 times of complementary will what? 7 times of is equals to what? 7 times of complementary is what, Mehak? Mehak,
Yes,
7
sir.
times is 7 times of complementary. What I have to write here?
7 into 90 minus x.
Yes, very good. 7 into 90 minus x. And
Sir,
this
then-
is 7 times its complementary I have done.
Yes,
Is
sir.
less than 3 times its supplementary.
Is 10 degree less than 3 times is
Uh-huh.
supplementary? With
3 times its
Supplementary.
supplementary. So 3 times of supplementary. Hershey, what I have to write?
Into 180 minus x.
Yes. 3 into 180 minus x. Now they are telling 7 times its complementary is 10 less than 3 times its supplementary. Yes. Which one is greater? Which one is greater? Hershey, which one is greater? This or this? Which one is greater? Hershey. That trick I know, Hershey. Why you are not unmuting yourself?
This is a new system, anyways.
Okay, tell
Sir,
me. Which one is greater? This one or
supplementary.
this one?
Supplement. No,
Supplement.
sir. No. So 90 degrees.
90
Complementary. Complementary because 180 minus x.
Which
Complementary will be. Complementary will become.
you take? There is only one option. Either this
Complementary.
or this.
Complementary.
So you are telling this one is greater.
Yes, sir.
7 times its complementary is 10 less than 3 times its supplementary. So this is
So if
greater.
you do 7, so 7 into 90 minus x will be greater than 3 times 180 minus x.
So you are telling this one is greater, right? Mehak,
Yes, sir.
which one is greater?
Yes, sir. So 7 into 90 minus x.
This one is greater, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Why?
So because like when we multiply them, the number of that is
Read the
larger.
question. Read the question. Both of you read the question. Did you read?
Yes, sir.
No. What is the question? Tell me.
Find the measure of an angle if 7 times its
If,
complementary is
wait.
less.
Now from here you read. If 7 times its complementary is 10
Then
less
less than its
times
supplementary.
its supplementary.
10 less, sorry, so supplementary. So, but if, okay, never mind.
Mehak,
Yes, sir.
7 times its complementary is Prithvi. Mute
Yes,
your
sir.
mic. Mute your mic.
Sorry, sir.
7 times its complementary is 10 less than 3 times its supplementary. This is greater. Yes, Prithvi, now tell me the equation.
Yes, sir. It's given. So if supplementary is greater. So we have to.
Supplementary is greater. Yes.
I mean,
tell me. Go ahead.
Sir, so 7 into 90 minus x.
7 into 90 minus x
will be equal to 3 into 180 minus x minus 10.
Minus, since this is greater, so you are
We should
subtracting.
subtract from the greater. So 7 into 90 minus x, 630 minus 7x is equal to 540 minus 3x minus 10. 4x is equal to 100.
So we'll take 630 minus 540 plus 10 equals to minus 3x plus 7x.
Plus 7x.
So
minus
4x.
4x is
So
equal
if this
to
is 40
minus 100.
40, 10, 650, 100.
Yes, sir. 100.
X is equals to 25.
Yes, sir.
Is it clear to everyone or any doubt?
We can use one more method, right?
Which, pardon?
So we can use one more method, right?
Which one? You
We
can
can take
use
it-
many type of method, but tell me which one you are looking.
You can take it as 3 of 180 minus x minus 7 of 90 minus x is equal to 10.
I didn't get. Come again.
3 of 180 minus x
Hmm.
minus
Hmm.
7 of 90 minus x is equal to 10.
So what you are doing actually, this you are taking this to this side and this one to this side.
Yes, sir.
Equation is same, na? Both equation is same. That way also you can do. Is it clear? Supplementary, complementary, and linear equation.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sure.
Yes, sir.
Vijay has not spoken anything today.
Sir, I did, sir.
You did. Okay. Now I'll talk some other things, other terminologies in geometry. If I say adjacent angle, Vijay, which all are adjacent angle?
Sir, AOB and BOC.
Good. So adjacent angle is angle AOB and angle BOC. Correct? Why they are adjacent angle?
Sir, because they're next to each other.
Next to each other. Because in the definition you will read, they have same vertex, they have one common side and another sided opposite to common side. So that those angles are known as adjacent. This is, and these are adjacent angle. Correct? Any understanding problem in adjacent angle?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Next is linear pair. This is a line segment AB. There is one ray. So this angle and this angle are known as linear pair. Two adjacent angles are said to form a linear pair of angles if their non-common arms are two opposite sides of a line. Definition, leave it. Heavy definition. Simple thing, this is a line. AOB is a line. There is one ray going to this. So these two angles are linear pair. Sum of linear pair is
180 degree.
180 degree. So, but how to prove it? You said 180 degree. I say it's not 180 degree. Prove it. It's 180 degree.
Sir, it's a straight line. So straight lines are always 180 degree.
It's a straight line.
Straight lines are always 180 degree.
Okay.
So there's a line cutting through it,
Okay.
intersecting at it. So that line divides that straight line into two parts, each having its own separate angle. So since it's 180, both the total is 180. The sum of both the angles should be 180.
Perfect. So let's speak it in geometry language. Okay. Good. What you said is right. Absolutely right. But let's speak it in geometry language. I will do a construction. This is M. And I draw from point M, I draw you a line perpendicular to AB. I drew a line from M perpendicular to AB, which touches at O. So we know that this is 90 degree and this is also 90 degree, correct?
Yes,
what
sir.
we have to prove? What we have to prove that angle AOC plus
AOM also.
Prithvi, are you speaking to me or to somebody else?
Sir, AOM, right?
This is C. What we have to prove? That angle AOC plus angle COB equals to 180 degree. This is what we have to prove. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's do it. So angle AOC, can we write it as angle AOM plus angle MOC? Can we write it like this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And angle BOC, can we write it as angle BOM minus angle MOC?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Just listen.
Yes, sir. Yes.
I mean, see it. I know while writing you can't understand. Imagine, just imagine, correlate the angles, what I have written. Correlate the angles. AOC equals to AOM plus MOC.
Yes, sir.
Now BOC is equals to what? BOM minus MOC. Correct? Now AOC. So now AOM is what? 90 degree we know. AOM we know 90 degree. This is perpendicular. I have drawn it. This is the construction I have done.
Yes, sir.
This is 90 degree and MOC plus angle MOC. We can write like that.
Yes, sir.
In this BOM
90 degree.
90 degree minus angle MOC. Correct?
Yes, sir.
COB or BOC is same, or can I write it COB?
Yes, sir.
Adding 1 and 2, what you will get? Angle AOC plus angle COB equals to 90 plus angle MOC plus 90 minus angle MOC equals to
90 plus 90, 180.
Is it? Are you able to understand this? What I did?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Hence, angle AOC is plus angle COB is equals to 180 degree. This is a proving.
Sir, should we remember this, like for example?
Should we?
Remember this, for example.
Of course. In your now in geometry, your school can ask you to prove a theorem. This is a theorem. This is not axiom.
So they'll ask for derivation.
Yes. This is a theorem, and theorem needs proving. In your first chapter, they have asked one question like that. Theorem needs proving. And this is a proving. Please write it. First, did you understand or any problem in understanding?
No, sir.
Anyone, please raise your hand. I can explain it again. Please raise your hand who didn't understand. I'm just tell me now, raise your hand. Yes, Sahil, tell me which step you did not understand.
Sir, can you just explain the whole thing again, sir?
To prove, this is a line segment AOB. We have drawn an ray OC. So now we have to prove that it's a linear pair AOC plus COB is 180 degree. That we have to prove. What I did, I draw perpendicular here. So this is a 90 degree and this is also 90 degree. Okay, this is 90 degree. I have drawn it. Now AOC, how can we write? AOM plus MOC, correct? Yes, AOM is 90 degree plus MOC.
Yes, sir.
Now COB equals to what? Can we write it? BOM minus MOC. This angle, full angle subtracted by this angle will get this angle. Correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So nice. This is 90 degree BOM. 90 minus MOC.
Then you have to add.
Then adding these two.
Yes, sir.
What you will get? Same.
Yes, sir. I understood, sir.
Written, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, second thing is, question is, prove that the sum of all the angles formed on the same side of a line at a given point on the line is 180 degree. Question is, I will reframe in diagram. This is a line segment. The question is, prove that the sum of all. So I'll do one. So question is, prove that the sum of all the angles, this angle, this angle, this angle, and this angle is equals to, sum of these four angles is equals to 180 degree, and AOB is a line. Okay. So how to prove it? To prove angle AOC plus angle COD plus angle DOE plus angle EOB equals to 180 degree. This we have to prove. Okay. So simple thing. I know it's very simple. You also know this is 180 degree. Just now we proved that a ray falling on a straight line, it makes two angles. A ray falling on a straight line makes two angles whose sum is 180 degree. Just now we have proved this thing.
Yes, sir.
Are you feeling bored?
No.
Huh?
No, sir.
No, sir.
So this we have proved. Now I will say, can we write that we know that angle AOC plus angle COB equals to 180 degree. That we know. This we know, right? Now angle COB equals to, can we write angle COD plus angle DOE plus angle EOB. Can we write it like this?
Yes, sir.
So replacing these angles here, angle AOC plus angle COD plus angle DOE plus angle EOB equals to 180 degree. Prove. Got it?
Yes, sir.
What? No, no, yes, no.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
It's very
Yes,
obvious,
sir.
I know it, but they can ask you this type of questions. You have to write the reasoning. Why this is 180 degree? Because a ray falling on a straight line, I mean, the angles formed by them is sum of their angles are 180 degree. That you have to write reasoning here. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next is prove that the sum of all the angles around a point is 360 degree. This is the point. We know that this angle is 360, but we have to prove it that this is 360. It is given this angle, let's suppose. Let's suppose OB, OA, OC, OD. So we have to prove that angle AOB plus angle BOC plus angle COD plus angle DOA equals to 360 degree. This we have to prove it. So how to prove? Construction. We have to do one construction. We have to extend BO this way. So now this is a straight line, and let's suppose N. So can we write NOA plus angle AOB equals to 180 degree linear pair?
Yes, sir.
Can we write angle NOD plus angle DOC plus angle COB equals to 180 degree linear pair? These angles, this angle, and this angle, 180, and this angle, 180 degree.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now adding 1 and 2. Wait, let me pour ink. Adding equation 1 and 2. Let's add it. Angle NOA plus angle AOB plus angle NOD plus angle DOC plus angle COB equals to 360 degree. Any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Now NOA, this angle, and NOD, if we add these two angles, what angle we will get? DOA.
Yes, sir.
Adding these two, will you get angle DOA? Got it?
Yes, sir.
Got it?
Done, sir.
I think today is heavy for you guys. Is it like Prithvi? Heavy?
Sir?
Heavy?
Like, kind of.
Huh?
Kind of.
Kind of.
I mean, like house. What?
You didn't understand this part?
No, I understood.
See, right now what you are talking, you already know. We are just proving it. We are just proving it.
Sir, if we know it, why don't we consider it as an axiom?
I didn't get. Come again, Aditya?
Sir, if we know it, why don't we consider it as an axiom or a postulate?
No, see, axiom, through axiom only you are proving it. Through axiom only you are proving it. They have given some universal truth. Based on that you are proving. 360 degree, if we are proving it this as a 360 degree, how it is 360 degree? Based on those axiom and postulates only we are proving all these things.
Thank you, sir.
Don't worry, the interesting part will come. Don't be so bothered with what we are doing. But yes, art of writing though is required in geometry. Interesting thing will come, don't worry. Things will come. Lines, angles. Now in the next class you will start solving questions, actual questions. The first part of this class was interesting, you know, na? Linear equation, supplementary, complementary. That was mathematics, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Interesting thing will come, don't worry. Geometry is very interesting.
Okay, sir.
ठीक है, तो you do one thing. RS Agarwal, I'll send you exercise 7A. You have only 12 questions that you do, okay? And then 7B will start. Already we have started. One or two things I have to tell you. Then I will solve few questions and then you can start solving. So 7A, you do only 7A, okay? And those who have not done Euclid's that assignment, please finish it.
Yes, sir.
Okay?
Okay, sir.
Thank you. Anything, any doubt anyone has? No doubt. Okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.